Oh, it is Monday. It is Monday, and I have been off from work for the past 2 weeks. And today we started with work again, and I'm really like, oh my god, I should edit another week. But yeah, it is what it is. Let me go back to the office and do what I need to do. Ooh. I love this method. This is a method if you don't want to apply heat to your hair, but still want some curls. You can do this. Like, I am more than 10 weeks post relaxer, and my new growth is really testing me. So yesterday I decided to do this style so that I can style my hair simple, quick, and don't put too much heat on my hair. Look cute, so simple. Let's see if I comb it out. It's like a podcast style. Right. A little bit of gel, just a little bit. Because honestly, I don't want to use too much gel on my hair. So this is how much I'm using. Okay, and then use some black pins. And then use some black pins to add some small length.